Good evening, friends. Welcome to your Learner Once and Once channel. Let us do analysis for Tuesday, that is 1st of August 2023. But before going any further, let us analyze what we discussed on Friday for today, that is for Monday. हमने फ्राइडे के एनालिसिस की थी, मंडे के लिए लेट अस डिस्कस दैट. सो वी डिस्कस दैट इफ वी ओपन गैप अप या फिर फ्लैट बी, any such opening which is above the previous closing, right? And we will consider any shorting opportunity only if previous swing low is broken, right? Only if previous swing low is broken, both in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. But you may notice first 15 minutes की red candle के बाद, first 15 minutes की ये red price action के बाद, we never ever broke the swing low, right? ये पुराना swing low हमने break ही नहीं किया. In fact, we went on for the higher highs mode. Similarly, Bank Nifty maybe we never went on to the lower lows ka section. In fact, again we went up only, right? Not all the way up, but still, since we kept on going at the higher frames itself, so there was no shorting opportunity, right? यहाँ पे कोई shorting opportunity थी ही नहीं, ना ही Nifty में, ना ही Bank Nifty में. That is the reason today we didn't take any trade, right? आज कोई trading opportunity थी नहीं as per the setup we discussed, just in case if we went up. That is what we had discussed, right? So now what further? Tuesday के लिए क्या, right? Now again, if we see days candle, first of all, let me close all the line. Days candle in Nifty is again a hammer, isn't it? And even in Bank Nifty, if we see days candle, Bank Nifty maybe days candle is hammer, but another conflicting thing is this kind of consolidation हमने Nifty में we are seeing since 29th March also. 29th March यानी क्या? जब भी Nifty एक ऊपर पंप दे, sideways consolidation दे, उसके बाद ऐसे अगर hammers आ जाए, right? तो फिर भी प्राइस रेंज में ही रहती है तब तक, प्राइस विल स्टे इन द रेंज तब तक जब तक कंसोलिडेशन का हाई ब्रेक नहीं होता, राइट? जब तक कंसोलिडेशन का हाई ब्रेक नहीं होता. ऐसे प्रीवियसली भी हुआ है, ऐसे इस जोन में भी हुआ है. दिस जोन इज अगेन फ्रॉम मार्च टू जुलाई तक का सीरीज, राइट? फ्रॉम मार्च टू जुलाई तक का सीरीज. अगेन यू मे सी इट हियर ऑल्सो इन दिस जोन ऑल्सो. हैमर्स आए भी तो भी वी वर इन द रेंज एज लॉन्ग एज कंसोलिडेशन का हाई ब्रेक नहीं होता. Again this happened at this zone also, right? It happened here also. What are all this zone? This happened in July series, this happened in June series, this happened in May series also, right? अभी ये जुलाई के लास्ट वीक में भी हुआ है. इन द लास्ट वीक ऑल्सो वी आर इनसाइड दिस रेंज, राइट? ये रेंज कब से है? अभी ये रेंज कब से शुरू है? दिस रेंज इज गोइंग ऑन फ्रॉम 18th of July, 18 जुलाई से लेके 31st of July वी आर इन दिस रेंज, राइट? फ्रॉम 18th of July to 31st of July. That is the reason as long as we are not able to break this high, right? ये और ये high almost similar है, 10-15 points का difference है. What is this high? 19,867 और यहाँ पे क्या है? 19,887. यानी वो 19,900 का टॉप ही that we had discussed since last 2-3 days analysis, right? As long as 19,900 is not taken out on days candle, we will not see a higher highs का frame continuation, right? Higher highs का. Similarly, as long as low is not broken, we will not go for downtrend also. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे भी consolidation हुआ है, जैसे in the May series when it happened, as long as ये previous swing high जब तक days पे नहीं मिला था, तब तक वापस journey continue नहीं हुई. उसके बाद अगेन इन मे सीरीज ऑल्सो, मे से लेके जून तक जब तक प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई नहीं ब्रेक हुआ था, वी डिडंट गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ कंटिन्यूएशन. लुक एट दिस कंटिन्यूएशन. वी विल बी 50-100 पॉइंट्स अप, बट अ गुड कंटिन्यूएशन for higher highs will not continue as long as the range is not broken, right? Similarly here also the same thing is going on. So now in July series also, bringing back all the lines, let me just delete this. As long as we do not get 19,900 के ऊपर days closing, we will not get the continuation. Now if you see it on 15 minutes frame also, you may notice आज के candle का 15 minutes का high जब break हुआ, there was again an opportunity for long. No doubt about it. We had not discussed any long opportunity. We had discussed only shorting opportunity, right? But again you may see no sooner it went for 50 points high, वहाँ से वापस 50 points का dump दिया है. वहाँ से वापस 50 points का dump, again came back to the low previous closing, and then again from here it went up. First hitting the SLs of any person who had taken the long from here, and only after again breaking it, it got another 40 to 50 points up. वहाँ से भी वापस rejection ही लिया है. Why? Because all the resistances are standing here. और ये जो resistances है, all these resistances are, ये resistances कब से? This is from 18th of July से लेके 27th of July. From 18th to 27th of July, all this point are acting as resistances. That is the reason वापस फ्लैट खुल के ऊपर जाए या गैप अप खुल के भी ऊपर जाए, we are not interested in long as we do not see a day's closing about this point, right? As long as day's closing at this point. Similarly, if we consider Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty maybe, let me bring back all the lines. You may notice that on Bank Nifty, if I come back on 15 minutes, you may notice that the number of times Bank Nifty tried to pump up, it took the rejection, and the rejection is also not smaller. From 45, 576, 580 के पास से again the rejection came all the way to 45, 470, right? 100 points की rejection. That is the reason Bank Nifty also above 46, 300 we will consider. But look at this shorting which has happened. Similarly, जैसे पुराने दिन के यहाँ पे सपोर्ट है, पिछले 4-5 दिन के सपोर्ट है. That is the reason why when it is trying to come near the lower lows का frame, again it is pumping. So considering all these factors on 15-minute range for Tuesday, when will we consider long? We will consider long for tomorrow also, not for tomorrow, only if any day's candle can close above 19,900 in Nifty. Similarly in Bank Nifty, if it can give closing above all these swings, that is 46,300. यहाँ से ऊपर जाए, again there will what will there be कि यहाँ से जो भी पंप आए वापस वो रिजेक्शन लेते हो 100-150 पॉइंट नीचे जाए, यहाँ से ऊपर जाएंगे वापस 100-150 पॉइंट नीचे आएंगे, and again they will pump, right? Again they will pump. So that will create volatility. We do not want that price action. So considering Nifty on 15 minutes for Tuesday, tomorrow if we open gap up, any gap up, if it is at 19,840, 880 in this range, and if it goes for higher highs, I am avoiding the opportunity, right? कल के कल फिर एकदम 19,900 के ऊपर पंप हो जाए, कितना भी ऊपर चले जाए, I am avoiding the opportunity if we open gap up. Another thing is if we open flat also and if we start going up, I am avoiding the opportunity. Gap up खुल के भी नीचे आए, gap up खुल के नीचे आए तो 19,740 से लेके 560, again it is the difference of more than 200 points, right? क्योंकि gap up consider करके अगर 19,740 से लेके अगर let us consider 19,780, 790 या 19,800 के पास भी gap up हो जाए, वहां से वापस days low is way too far. That is the reason gap up खुल के even if you see the selling, I am not taking this opportunity in the gap up. It's okay if we miss one day's opportunity. We want a good opportunity where SL is lower, जहाँ पे SL कम है और जहाँ पे रिस्क कम है और रिवॉर्ड अच्छा है, राइट? दैट इज द रीजन आई एम अवॉइडिंग गैप अप अपॉर्चुनिटी. व्हाट इफ वी ओपन फ्लैट खुल के ऊपर जाने लग जाए, अगेन आई एम अवॉइडिंग, क्योंकि फ्लैट नाउ सी फ्लैट में वी आर एट 19,740, यहाँ से रेजिस्टेंसेस भी ऊपर है, यहाँ से वापस अभी सपोर्ट है नीचे से, राइट? वापस सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस के इसके बीच में वी हैव क्लोज्ड इन बिटवीन. सो फ्लैट खुल के ऊपर भी जाए, आई एम अवॉइडिंग. गैप अप वी हैव ऑलरेडी अवॉइडिंग ऑल दी सिनेरियोस. फ्लैट खुल के ऊपर भी जाए, वी आर अवॉइडिंग. फ्लैट खुल के अगर if in first 2 hours itself we are able to take any 30 minutes का candle below this hammer. Now why this hammer? This is again 2 से 3 दिनों का swing. This is 25th July का swing, 26th July का swing, and again this is now at 31st July. So ये hammer का low क्या है? That is 19,660. फ्लैट खुल के if we are able to break 19,660, break यानी सीधा नीचे ये, यहाँ से एक बार वापस बाउंस ले, वो बाउंस पुराना स्विंग हाई नहीं तोड़े, दैट बाउंस शुड नॉट ब्रेक द प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई, बट अगेन आफ्टर टेकिंग द बाउंस शुड रिट्रेस डाउन टू अगेन ब्रेक 19,660, और वापस जब 19,660 ब्रेक हो तब आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन फ्लैट अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट? इफ वी गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ प्राइस एक्शन, इफ वी कम क्लोजर टू दिस, we take a bounce here and bounce लेने के बाद again if we are able to break 19,660, only then I am interested in the put opportunity, right? यहाँ से, but again with a very lesser quantity because all this point will act as a support, right? All this point. So again I am interested in the opportunity only if this price action happens, right? Flat खुल के नीचे आए, we take a bounce and again we are able to break 19,660. Then again as long as only if lower lows are going on, right? What is lower lows? If this kind of price action is going on, where the previous swing high is not getting broken, right? Where the previous swing high is not getting broken. Look at this swing high, look at this swing high. All these swing highs are lower highs, right? Lower highs to the previous high, lower highs to the previous high, and lower lows are also continuing, If this price action happens with the flat opening, if 19,660 is getting broken, this kind of price action, then I am interested for a very smaller target of 19,600, 60 points का target, and if the previous swing high gets broken, I'll exit, right? If previous swing high gets broken, ऐसे price action देने के बाद भी if previous swing high is getting broken, I'll exit. उसके बाद अगर second बार होता है, I will take only 2 chances, 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं, right? I'll only try it twice, right? So as long as lower lows are getting on, I'll stay in the trade. 19,600 के पास again I'll see if there is a pump. If that pump is again not able to break previous swing high or lower lows continue रख रहा है, then I will stay in the trade. That is flat scenario. What if we open gap down, right? Now if we open gap down, any gap down which is below 19,660, 19,660 के नीचे कहीं पे भी gap down हो जाए, and if first 30 minutes का price action can stay negative, फर्स्ट 30 मिनट्स का प्राइस एक्शन कैन स्टे नेगेटिव, यानी क्या, अगर ऐसी कैंडल बना दे, ऐसी कैंडल बना दे फर्स्ट 30 मिनट्स, नॉट 15 मिनट्स, राइट, ऐसी कैंडल, ऐसी कैंडल, ऐसी नहीं, आज की ये ओपनिंग जो कैंडल है 15 मिनट की, इसको देखो, इट इज हैविंग लोअर शैडो, नीचे से विग है, दिस शैडो हैज हेल्प्ड इन पंपिंग, राइट, सो नॉट दिस काइंड ऑफ कैंडल, द कैंडल दैट आई मार्क, दिस काइंड ऑफ कैंडल, दिस काइंड ऑफ कैंडल, दिस काइंड ऑफ कैंडल, अगेन this candle, again this type of candle, again this type of candle. If we see this type of candle on first 30 minutes 19660 के नीचे, if we are able to open gap down, any gap down below 19660, and if it makes 30 minutes का price action negative, right, 30 minutes का price action negative, और उसका लो अगर break हो जाए, then I'm interested in shorting opportunity again, as long as lower lows goes on, right, as long as lower lows goes on, I'll stay in the trade and I'll continue in the trade, right, if lower lows are going on. If previous swing high gets broken, I'll exit. Again, only if the lower lows can be broken, I'll enter, right, this we will do only twice. That is gap down का scenario. What if gap down खुल के वापस ऊपर जाने लग जाए, if it goes up, I'm not interested in buying, ऊपर जाके वापस जहां से gap down खुला था, gap down का low भी तोड़ दे, right, if it is able to break that low, only then I'll re-enter. Again the same target, same theory, right, again the same target, same theory. It's very easy, we are avoiding gap up, flat में भी ऊपर जा रहा है, we are avoiding, we already discussed flat में नीचे जा रहा है तो, and in gap down only 30 minutes का price action can go negative, right, we have discussed already everything in Nifty. What about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty में as we discussed earlier itself in the opening of the video itself, only if the day's candle can survive above 46,300, only then we are interested in longs. क्यों? क्योंकि look at this price action from 28th जुलाई से लेके 31st of July, right? आज का तो ऑलरेडी नीचे ही है, पर ये 20 जुलाई से लेके 27th of July 8 दिन का रेजिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे. अगर पिछले 4-5 दिनों का सपोर्ट ही कैन हेल्प बैंक निफ्टी टू अगेन पंप, मेक द पंप इन द प्राइस फ्रॉम 45,230 से लेके कहाँ तक, till 45,650, then this resistances can act as resistances as long as we do not see any days candle closing above this. That is the reason flat खुल के ऊपर जाए we are avoiding, gap up scenario we are avoiding, right, gap up खुल के प्राइस एकदम 500-600 पॉइंट नीचे भी आ जाए, we are avoiding gap up, right, as long as days candle is not closing above 46,300, right. So gap up we are avoiding, flat if it goes up we are avoiding, just like Nifty also, Bank Nifty may be, just like Nifty also, Bank Nifty may be, flat खुल के, if in first 2 hours before 11:30 AM itself, if we are able to break this range, right, if we are able to break 45,400, this is 415, but consider 45,400, flat खुल के, let there be a lower lows का price action, यहाँ से थोड़ा bounce लेके previous swing high के ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. The bounce should not be able to retrace above the opening high, right, should not be able to retrace above opening high, it should be a lower high. It needs to be a lower high and again it needs to break 45,400. बाउंस लेके वापस 45,400 ब्रेक करता है with this kind of negative price action, ऐसा negative price action, ऐसा negative price action, this kind of negative price action, ऐसा negative price action, right? If you are seeing these candles, right? अगर ऐसे negative price action के साथ, if it is breaking this low, only then I am interested in the shorting opportunity for the target of 45,230 तक, as long as again lower lows are going on, right? As long as lower lows are going on. If swing high gets broken, we exit immediately. Only if again swing low is getting broken, we re-enter. This we will do twice. Let it be Nifty or Bank Nifty, right? That is flat scenario. We are already avoiding gap up. What if we open gap down? Any gap down, if it is only below this point, right? If it is only below 45,470, अगर कोई gap down 45,470 के नीचे हो, right? 45,470 के नीचे हो, and if 30 minutes का price action can go negative, and if 30 minutes का price action can go this way negative, this way negative, this way negative, not today's, आज की 15 मिनट की opening candle देखो, right? ऐसी अगर डोजी बन जाए, then I am not interested. This way negative, this way negative, this way negative. If it can become this kind of negative, right? If it can become again this kind of negative, ये वाली red candle, ऐसी अगर gap down खुलने के बाद भी 15 minutes की candle, in Nifty we consider 30 minutes, but here we are considering 15 minutes only. 15 मिनट की कैंडल ऐसी नेगेटिव बन जाती है, उसका लो ब्रेक होने के बाद वी आर इमीडिएटली इंटरेस्टेड इन दी लोअर लोज अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट? देन वी आर इमीडिएटली इंटरेस्टेड इन दी लोअर लोज अपॉर्चुनिटी अगर गैप डाउन इसके नीचे हो जाता है, राइट? गैप डाउन एंड फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स की रेड हो जाती है. अगर फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स की ग्रीन हो जाए, लेट इट पंप अगेन, यहाँ से रेजिस्टेंस लेके ओनली ओपनिंग लो तोड़ दे विद द नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन, अगेन वी विल री एंटर इन द ट्रेड, राइट? Again we will re-enter in the trade. That is gap down scenario. We discussed flat scenario, we discussed gap down scenario. We are avoiding gap up scenarios both in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, right? Keeping it very simple, we will consider long only the way we discussed in both the scenarios, right? जैसे निफ्टी में 19900 का resistance and in Bank Nifty 46300 का resistance, if it is broken on day's closing, right? On day's closing, then we will consider for the next day. On that note, we have covered all the scenarios for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So on that note, I am ending today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.